Hello, my name is Jose Bueso and I'm one of the owners of Dynamic Automotive. Dynamic Automotive has 3 locations in Frederick County. We have a location in Newmarket, Libertytown, and Urbana. We are at the Urbana location presently, and you can get right off of 270 and find us very easily right next to the Exxon station here. This location has a full-service quick lube facility, a 9-bay repair shop, and a 60-foot soft cloth car wash. So when it comes to your car, we're sort of your one-stop shop. Come see us at Dynamic Automotive, where customers become friends. Hi, my name is Jose Bueso and I'm with Dynamic Automotive, and we are at the Urbana location located right off of 270, and I'm with our quick lube manager Robert, and he's going to describe some of the services we do here in the quick lube facility.
Hi, so I just want to go over some of the basic services that we provide here at Dynamic Automotive in Urbana. We do headlight restoration, brake fluid flush. We do coolant system flush. At this point, we have a car here that we're going to be performing one, and basically what we're going to do is remove the coolant from the vehicle. We're going to add additives to it in order to provide that service. Some of the problems that happens when the coolant is not being replaced constantly is that coolant is very corrosive. It does contributes to deterioration of the cooling system, meaning radiator, heater core, water pump. By doing this every so often, we prevent the system from being deteriorated to the point that it needs extensive repairs. We also do tire rotations, transmission fluid flushes, power steering flush, driveline services. We do air induction service, tire rotation and balance, battery testing. We test everybody that comes in here when we do the oil change, and we also do a brake inspection.
We're getting ready to execute a cooling system flush on a Toyota Prius. Charles here is going to be doing the cooling system service for us. Charles, what's the first step you're going to do to conduct the service on the Toyota?
Well, the first thing we do is we evacuate a little bit of the old fluid, and we put in what we call a cleaner, and we let that run through the system for about 5 minutes, and that breaks down any deposits or anything that may be left in there. And then we'll shut the motor off, and then we'll continue from there.
Now, Charles, after you put the cleaner in the system and it's being run in there, what is actually happening inside that radiator?
Well, you get a lot of corrosion and deposits over time because your antifreeze is really corrosive. It can be after time. So this cleaner is going to get inside the motor, inside the radiator system, in the coolant system. It's going to break all that down, bring it off of your hoses, try to clean them out as best as possible. And that's basically what the cleaner is going to take care of to start with.
Now, how long is that cleaner going to be in that system for?
That's usually about a 5-minute deal. About 5 minutes, you let it run for about 5 minutes, and it should be good to go from there.
Then, after that is finished, what's your next step?
My next step after that is to evacuate all of the old cooling fluid. Once that's all evacuated, my machine that I have back here will automatically replenish the new fluid. It will fill it all back up. It'll fill the reservoir back up, the radiator back up. Any spots that radiator fluid will need to go in the cooling system will be refilled by that machine.
Now, how much coolant is this system going to take, and how much water is this system going to take?
This system in this car itself probably uses maybe close to a half a gallon of fluid, maybe a gallon at the most. And water, it's usually 50-50. You want to cut your antifreeze. If you put a whole jug, you want a whole jug of water. Half a jug of water, and so forth. Always 50-50 with your concentrated antifreeze.
Using a 50-50 mix of antifreeze in your vehicle is going to give you maximum protection, and it will prevent corrosion for the future.
Hello, I'm Craig Shipp, founder of the Area Guides Network and Frederick.com, and I'm pleased to use Dynamic Automotive for my automotive service needs. I'm a firm believer in keeping the fluids in the car in excellent shape. These cars are expensive these days, and they're expensive to replace and they're expensive to repair. The lifeblood of these vehicles is the fluids, the transmission fluid, the coolant, the engine oil, I always run synthetics anytime I can. I run the best fluids in the cars, and I change them frequently. I make sure they're clean, because in the long run it's going to save you a lot of money, in my opinion. If you can keep the car just a couple of years longer by keeping fluids in great shape, that's going to save you a lot of money. You're also going to get a better resale value when somebody looks at your car and checks it and all the fluids are in great shape. So it's going to behoove you to keep those fluids changed, keep that vehicle on the road longer, and I think it's environmentally a good thing to do, to keep these cars longer. They don't need to end up in a junkyard before their time. So this Prius that you're looking at here is 10 years old, and I have every reason to believe I'm going to be able to keep it for another 10 years. And so check out permanentvehicleproject.com, permanentvehicleproject.com, and I've got some of my vehicles in that project, and I'm going to see just how long I can keep these automobiles on the road with the help of service facilities like Dynamic Automotive. So check them out. Go to frederick.com, check out Dynamic Automotive, check out the other automotive repair facilities that are available there, and they are good folks, and they're going to take very good care of your car. Dynamic has 3 locations, so if you're anywhere near Frederick County, you can use their 3 locations. If you're in Montgomery County, you can drive just right up the road to Urbana to this location. It's a beautiful facility, and they will take great care of your car. So maybe I'll see you at Dynamic Automotive next time I'm up there. Thanks for watching.
Hello, my name is Jose Bueso with Dynamic Automotive, and I'm at the Urbana location, and we've just finished up a cooling system service on a Toyota Prius. If you have any maintenance or services that you need to get done on your vehicle, please come and see us. We perform all of the BG flushes, all of the BG services. We do headlamp restorations, we do transmission flushes, and we use Jasper products here at Dynamic Automotive. Come see us for all your automotive needs. We can fix your car. Dynamic Automotive, where customers become friends.